So, you might have heard rumors about leaving your phone plugged in overnight and how it can damage its battery life. But the truth is, modern smartphones are designed with advanced charging technology that prevents overcharging. When you plug in your phone to charge, it communicates with the charger and adjusts the charging rate based on the battery's condition. Once your phone reaches 100% battery, the charging process stops, and your phone switches to trickle charging to maintain the full charge. This ensures that your battery doesn't get overcharged, which can damage it. So, if you're using a quality charger, leaving your phone plugged in overnight won't harm its battery life. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind to ensure your battery stays healthy over the long term. Firstly, it's essential to use a charger that's compatible with your phone's battery. Using an incorrect charger or a low-quality charger can lead to overcharging, which can cause your battery to overheat and eventually fail. Secondly, it's a good idea to keep your phone at a moderate temperature while charging. If your phone gets too hot while charging, it can also harm the battery's health. So, try to keep your phone in a cool, well-ventilated area while charging. Thirdly, avoid letting your phone's battery level get too low before charging it. Frequent deep discharges can also harm your battery's health and reduce its lifespan. So, it's best to charge your phone before it reaches a critically low battery level. In conclusion, leaving your phone plugged in overnight won't damage its battery as long as you're using a quality charger. However, it's essential to follow a few simple guidelines to ensure your battery stays healthy and lasts as long as possible.